And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create bacalao con huevos or catfish with scrambled egg. Very easy to make. You're going to need catfish. This one is fresh, so you're going to need salt. You just need to put a little bit of salt on both sides. That's it. If you happen to have salted cod, then you go to the process of desalting it. You put it in water for at least a couple hours, take it out, and then you're going to boil it instead of cooking it the way I'm cooking it, okay? I have some cilantro. I have some red bell pepper, and I have some chopped onions, extra virgin olive oil, of course, the salt, and 4 eggs, which I'm going to whip together. And optionally, you can have some ground black pepper too. So whip your egg. So I put some extra virgin olive oil, not a lot, just enough to cover some of the surface area. And I have the heat at medium high, and I let it preheat for about a minute or two. And then I'm going to add the cod. And I'm going to let one side cook for about a minute. And then I'm going to flip it. After 1 minute, I'm going to flip it. You notice nothing stuck because I didn't move it around. And now I'm going to cook the other side. For about 90 seconds. Turn it. And what you're going to do is you're going to break it down. And once you break it down, you're going to cook it for about 30 seconds. And then you're going to take it out here, okay? Just 30 seconds after you break it down. Now what you're going to do is you're going to add the cod with the egg. Butter it up together. Put a tiny bit of salt, not a lot, just a little bit. Some black pepper, just a little bit, and some of your cilantro. And butter this baby together. Now it's very simple. Get some of the onions, the pepper, and you're going to saute them. Well, you actually cooked the cod earlier. Lower the heat to medium. After about 20-25 seconds, this smells delicious, by the way. What you're going to do, you're going to add the egg that is mixed with the cod. Medium heat. And you're scrambling this baby. So you move it around, just, shift it around. Time to cut it with a spatula. And you're going to do this until the eggs are not running anymore, okay? And once they're not running anymore, kind of a little bit dry, that means they're ready. So you turn the heat off. Took about 2 or 3 minutes to do, by the way. And just put them aside.